Greetings from Light Solutions. This is Shoaib Shaheen, your host, and today we are going to unbox Mikro Power Factor Regulator. So let's do some unboxing and let's find out what we get inside the box. So this is Mikro Power Factor Regulator, and the model number is PFR140-41550. The serial number is mentioned. Mikro branding box, as you can see. It is imported from Malaysia. So let's do this unboxing and let's find out what we get inside the box. So in the box we get a Mikro Power Factor Regulator. This Power Factor Regulator user guide, brief overview. All the details are mentioned here. You can see mode, scroll up and down, alarm message function, and all the functioning is mentioned in the catalog. So some of the key features of Mikro Power Factor Regulator is that it is automatic C/K and it is step adjustment, automatic CT polarity correction. Last step can be used as alarm and fan output, programmable sensitivity, and user-friendly settings. Compliance with IEC 61006-2 standard. So this is Mikro Power Factor Regulator. The model number is mentioned PFR140 Power Factor Regulator. Tamam specs is mentioned here. CK value for 415 volts. This wire diagram is mentioned. So if you want this item in Karachi, Pakistan, Light Solutions dealing Mikro products, feel free to contact us on the below mentioned email ID. Thank you very much.